Yesterday, we saw a strange truck delivery outside of Tesla Giga Texas, delivering from Giga Texas. As you're seeing, Tesla Cybertruck frame was spotted at Giga Texas, delivering the Cybertruck. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Our friend Joe Techmeyer, who chronicles Tesla Giga Texas Everything, has sent these pictures on his Twitter. Progress in the start of Cybertruck production is becoming more and more evident. At Giga Texas, an undercover truck's frame was seen leaving the factory. Perhaps this was one of the first frames that came off the Cybertruck assembly line in Texas. As we saw a couple of days ago, a production going on, a frame of Cybertruck production at Giga Texas. Giga Texas sightings are getting more and more intriguing. While ramping up production of Model Y is indeed very important, the start of production of Cybertruck is what really stirs hearts. In recent months, we have increasingly seen truck driving on public roads brought in for testing in other countries, seeing the delivery of production equipment and the hiring of employees for its production at Gigafactory Texas. In addition, single-piece castings have already been seen several times, which is also a great signal that Tesla is very close starting the production of Cybertruck. A recent video shot right on the Cybertruck production line has become another exciting hint, which I said just a few sentences ago. It showed that at least some parts of the assembly line were already working. Now we have even more interesting news. Giga Texas construction and development progress observer Joe Techmeyer on Twitter managed to see something unusual. On Friday yesterday, he tweeted photos of the undercover object being loaded onto a truck trailer. Joe managed to film the video before the object was hidden under the retractable cover. Although the object was hidden under a cover, its shape clearly indicated it was a Cybertruck. However, one could see it was not a finished truck, but only its frame. In one of the pictures, you can even see part of the frame before a Tesla employee covered it with a blanket. At the moment, it remains unknown where the likely Cybertruck frame was sent. Somewhere for testing. However, it can be assumed that it will be received at the manufacturer's factory in Fremont, California. Tesla's team, which has been involved in the production of all the alpha and beta versions of Cybertruck that now exist, is located there. Clearly, if there is anyone who can truly appreciate the quality of a frame made at Giga Texas, it is the Fremont team. Previously, Joe Techmeyer said Tesla will be tuning, calibrating, and testing equipment for the production of Cybertruck at Giga Texas all next month and possibly early next. Thus, the start of production of Cybertruck could start as early as August. Let me know your thoughts about this, friends. What do you think? This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. God bless you, everyone. See you soon in our next report. Tesla has started the production of Cybertruck. Long time we have been waiting for this, and we're now seeing exclusive videos shared on Twitter that are going right now viral on social media that Tesla has started the production of Cybertruck. Honestly, I don't know whether these are test productions, these are for testing purposes, or they are for sale. But in the meantime, we're also seeing that Tesla is apparently sending reservation confirmation to Cybertruck customers. So this is very exciting. In the meantime, Joe Techmeyer reports on his Twitter channel, who always chronicles the work at Giga Texas, saying that Texas inside images of the casting machine area are showing some interesting things. Window covers in Texas, Giga Texas, inside of casting machines. Window covers in those buildings are removed strangely right when we are seeing a lot of Cybertrucks in the streets. Now, this is very important things, friends. So a video of Tesla Cybertruck production and some images taking place online at Gigafactory Texas has been leaked and going viral on the internet, confirming the automaker is continuing to make strides in the initial builds of the all-electric pickup trucks. Deliveries are near. Tesla has been building the Cybertruck at Gigafactory, Texas since Q1 as alpha prototypes were shown being manufactured in photos released by the automaker during the first earnings call of 2023. However, things in Texas are evidently moving forward with Tesla, and production of the all-electric Cybertruck is now being shown in a leaked video of the manufacturing lines within the factory. The video shows a portion of a Cybertruck frame going through in body white. A line body in white is a stage in automotive manufacturing where a frame has been joined together and occurs before any paint is applied. This morning, Tesla Giga Texas observer and drone operator Joe Techmeyer also spotted two 9,000-ton Giga Press Cybertruck's rear castings and other hints that production is nearing, as I mentioned that. Tesla Cybertruck builds continue to be spotted around California and more recently Texas. Yesterday I showed two videos with 5 Cybertrucks basically that we noticed. Production of Cybertruck has been rumored to be nearing for several months as CEO Elon Musk has been adamant on a Q3 delivery event for customers. You know, many of you were probably thinking Tesla would make a big announcement about Cybertruck starting production. Today we start the production of Cybertruck. Apparently no, they just started because, you know, they want to test it first. They want to see in case something doesn't go right. They don't want to make big noise out of it. It's not good PR, but they have started. It looks like everything is going well. So Tesla has also reportedly started reaching out to suppliers and has hinted toward an annual production rate of nearly 400,000 vehicles, Cybertruck vehicles annually, which I have reported that already. So let me know your thoughts. What do you think, friends? Look for my next video where I'm going to talk about that Tesla is apparently sending Cybertruck information, actually, to reservation confirmation letters. Someone has been sharing that and I'm going to share it with you. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily breaking Tesla news. God bless you, everyone. And after you subscribe, please ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. And I'll see you soon in our next report. In this video, I'm going to compare the cockpit view of the Tesla Cybertruck with the Model Y. Friends, a new video shared on Twitter by user GregorTruck is comparing the cockpit view of the Tesla Cybertruck and Tesla Model Y. The video has gone viral with many people commenting on the size and spaciousness of both Tesla vehicles. The Cybertruck is significantly larger than the Model Y, both in terms of exterior dimensions and interior space. The Cybertruck's dashboard is also much more minimalist with a single large touchscreen that controls most of the vehicle's functions. The Model Y's dashboard is more traditional with a mix of physical buttons and touchscreen. The Model Y also has a smaller front windshield than the Cybertruck, which some people may find claustrophobic. I don't know. Ultimately, the best cockpit for you will depend on your personal preferences, whether you want a truck or if you want a crossover. If you value space and a minimalist design, the Tesla Cybertruck may be the better choice for you. If you prefer a more traditional dashboard with physical buttons, the Model Y may be a better fit. So here are some key differences between the Cybertruck and the Model Y cockpit. Size. The Cybertruck is significantly larger than the Model Y, both in terms of exterior dimensions and interior space, of course. Dashboard design. The Cybertruck has a minimalist dashboard with a single large touchscreen. The Model Y has a more traditional dashboard with a more of physical buttons and a touchscreen. Windshield size. The Cybertruck has a larger front windshield than the Model Y, of course. And features. The Cybertruck has a few features that are not available on the Model Y, such as a front bumper camera and a camp mode that turns the dashboard into a touchscreen campfire. Friends, I think both the Cybertruck and Model Y cockpits have their own unique advantages. The Cybertruck's minimalist design and large windshield make it feel very spacious and open, luminous inside. The Model Y's more traditional dashboard and physical buttons may be more appealing to some people. Ultimately, the best cockpit for you will depend on your personal preferences. As the video continues to gain traction on social media, it has sparked kind of conversations about the practicality and versatility of both of the Cybertruck and the Model Y. Prospective buyers and Tesla enthusiasts are engaged in lively debates discussing the merits of each vehicle and evaluating how these features align with their personal preferences and needs. The Cybertruck, with its larger interior space and robust features, seems to have won over many who were initially skeptical about its dimensions. And of course, there is this anticipation coming about Cybertruck's release. And I think this morning I saw a tweet in which Elon Musk apparently has set a date for Cybertruck's delivery event, which is going to be in third quarter of this year. Tesla's commitment to designing a full-size truck that offers a roomy and technologically advanced cabin has garnered praise from both truck aficionados and Tesla enthusiasts alike. As the anticipation for the Cybertruck's release builds, this viral video has provided valuable insights into the video's cockpit view, assuaging doubts and generating excitement among potential buyers. With Tesla's dedication to pushing boundaries and introducing innovative features, the Cybertruck promises to be a game changer in the world of electric trucks. So, what do you think, friends? Remember, this information is provided based on the tweet that Gregor Truck has shared. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to this channel if you are here first time or been a couple of times and didn't subscribe for daily Tesla news and electric vehicle news. God bless you, everyone, and I'll see you soon in our next report.